you clicked on this video because you want to understand the Google Click Identifier, or GCLID. This has come up somehow in your life and you're stressing out because you want to do this cool thing with tracking, and the GCLID is this confusing, mysterious thing blocking you from doing it. So I'm going to quickly explain that to you. My name's Max. I run a paid ads agency. I do this for a living. I do loads of other videos on this topic, so have a look around if that's your thing, and please do subscribe if you enjoy this video or find it useful. But let's dig in. So firstly, go to their documentation. The documentation is always up to date, of course, and is very good. They give you really good summaries of it. So this is the Google Click Identifier summary. Google Click Identifier is a parameter based in the URL will add clicks to identify the campaign and other attributes of that click associated with the ad for ad tracking and campaign attribution. This can be done automatically. So firstly, how does it actually work? Let's go dig into it. Hopefully this starts to make sense, but it's not that clear necessarily. So let's go look at an example. So I've got a puppy between my legs that's causing chaos and making lots of noise. So I thought I'd involve him in the video by looking up dog toys UK. So I've just searched this. So if we click it again to refresh it, you can see these are two adverts. So we've got sponsored ad here and another sponsored ad here. Let's click on Love My Hound. And so you can see that I've gone in the URL lovemyhound.com/collection/food dog toys, and then there's this question mark, page equals 1, and then G ad source. This is to do with UTM tracking, and then GCLID, so Google Click ID. So you can see that it's got it here, and then a little equal sign. So this is saying the Google Click ID is, and then this. So this is a Google Click ID. So this is a random hash. It's a random combination of letters and numbers and symbols. And so this then lets you understand that when someone clicks, like I just did, if we go back, I clicked on this particular ad when I type in Dogs Toys UK. Well, Google then knows that there is a particular person, that is me, that exists, that clicked into your website, and then from here we can then track that person using this ID. This is like a special one-off ID for this single situation. So then what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking that and capturing it. And where do you use it? Probably the reason why you've come to this video is to do offline conversions. So if you're doing some form of conversion tracking, you're probably a B2B business if you're looking up Google Click ID, although there is some cases for using it in e-commerce as well, but probably B2B. It's so that you can do this. So you can set up offline conversions. So let's just say I came into this, and this is not really a great example because it's e-commerce, but let's just say I filled in the inquiry form. Let's just pretend down here the mailing list is their inquiry form. I put in my email and I click that accept. Well, then that then goes into their CRM system. So in that particular scenario, we then want to know what I do next. So obviously it's difficult because that's not on their website, that's in their CRM, it's offline somewhere. So you're going to use offline conversions to track that. So basically, when I fill in this form, what's going to happen is the form or your website in one form or another, you can do this in lots of ways. You'll probably need a developer, or there is some integrations, will capture this Google Click ID and it will attach it to me, Max, the user. And then when I go off and I do a good thing, you can send that information from your CRM back to Google with all of that information to say, Max, the user, the one that came in from Google and typed Dog Toys UK, went and did a thing, like a purchase or completed a form or was a good lead or whatever else it might be. And so this then lets you know that Max, that user who was from the UK, from London, who typed in the particular search term of Dog Toys UK, was the good one or was the bad one. And so then you can make your decisions around it. So that's all the Google Click Identifier is it's the ID for each of the single clicks that comes from an ad that someone clicked on into your website, so that you can then track that person through your CRM systems of different forms and send back offline conversions to Google. Hopefully this has slightly demystified it. I know it's a very weird and unusual topic to get your head around, but it's actually not that complicated once you take a moment to think about it. Maybe watch this video a second time to let it sink in, and this summary is really helpful too from Google. I hope this helps. I do lots of videos like this, so please subscribe if you enjoyed it and hit like as well, and I hopefully will get to see you in the next one.